Understanding, Ride Along, a simple guide. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English learning session. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, ride along. Whether you've heard it in movies, songs, or in everyday conversation, understanding this phrase will add to your English language arsenal. Let's begin with the basics. The phrase, ride along, quite literally means to join someone in a vehicle and accompany them on their journey. It doesn't imply that you're driving, you're simply going along for the ride. This can be a casual trip to the store or a more official situation like a police ride-along program. Moving beyond the literal, ride along, can also take on a more figurative meaning. It can describe someone joining another person in an activity or a project, getting a first-hand experience of what the other person does. It's about participation and observation, and it's often used to learn something new. You might have come across the phrase, ride along, in popular culture, especially in the titles of movies or TV shows. In these contexts, it usually refers to a scenario where a character joins another in their daily routine, often leading to humorous or action-packed situations. To fully grasp the use of ride along, let's look at some examples. Would you like to ride along to the concert with us? Here, it's an invitation to join the speaker in the car to the concert. The trainee will ride along with the technician for the day. This implies the trainee will observe and learn from the technician. And there you have it. Ride along can be a literal or figurative phrase, but either way, it's about joining someone and sharing an experience. We hope this video helps you understand and use ride along confidently in your conversations. Keep practicing, and see you next time.